Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on dress pants. Zippers are a common point of failure, often getting stuck when fabric is caught or the slider is misaligned. You might also experience a separated zipper where the teeth fail to interlock, or a loose slider that no longer engages the teeth effectively. Even a broken pull tab can render a zipper unusable, but many of these issues have simple solutions. For a stuck zipper, try rubbing a number 2 graphite pencil along the teeth to lubricate them, or apply a tiny bit of petroleum jelly. If fabric is caught, carefully pull it away with tweezers. When teeth separate, manually push them back into alignment from the bottom. If the slider feels loose, use needle nose pliers to gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the slider together, being careful not to crush it. This often restores its ability to engage the teeth. If your zipper slider is broken or missing, you can replace it. First, use small pliers to carefully remove the metal stop at the top or bottom of the zipper. Then, slide the old slider off. Align the zipper teeth at the bottom, ensuring they are perfectly meshed, and gently guide the new slider onto both sides of the zipper tape. Once the new slider is in place, crimp a new metal stop with pliers or sew a new stop using 6 to 7 stitches of heavy thread. Sometimes, a full zipper replacement is necessary. This is usually the case if many zipper teeth are broken or permanently bent, or if the fabric tape itself is extensively torn. If you've tried several repair methods without success, replacing the entire zipper is often the most durable solution. While it requires more effort, a new zipper can restore your dress pants to like-new condition. Many tailors offer this service for a professional and lasting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.